Is Molly about to throw a stick into the water? We've had a bit of rain, people. Right, Molly, you ready? Go! There it goes. Right, on the other side. When's it going to pop through? There he goes. There goes Molly's stick. Under there, Mol. Under there, I'll be able to see it. All the way off to the sea, probably. On into somebody's house in Somerset, more like. Don't know, it's gone all the way down there, babe. Go in the tunnel and go, woohoo! Be careful. Here she comes. Bloody hell, we've had some rain, people. We have had some rain. Lovely day though.